Communication is the cornerstone of human interaction, and its effectiveness is put to the test in challenging situations. Whether it's a heated argument, a tense negotiation, or delivering difficult news, mastering effective communication is crucial. This guide provides actionable insights to navigate and excel in challenging communication scenarios. 1. Stay calm and composed. In challenging situations, emotions can run high, leading to impulsive reactions. The first step to effective communication is maintaining your composure. Take deep breaths, stay mindful of your emotions, and avoid responding impulsively. A calm demeanor not only helps you think more clearly, but also sets the tone for a more productive conversation. 2. Active listening. Listening is a fundamental aspect of effective communication, especially in challenging situations. Practice active listening by giving your full attention, making eye contact, and nodding to show understanding. Repeat back what you've heard to ensure clarity and demonstrate that you value the other person's perspective. This fosters a sense of respect and can diffuse tension. 3. Choose your words wisely. Words have immense power, and choosing them wisely is crucial in challenging situations. Be mindful of your language, opting for neutral and non-confrontational phrases. Avoid blame and focus on expressing your thoughts and feelings constructively. Clear and thoughtful communication can prevent misunderstandings and help build a foundation for resolution. 4. Empathy and understanding. Put yourself in the other person's shoes to understand their perspective. Empathy is a powerful tool in diffusing tense situations. Acknowledge their feelings and validate their concerns. This not only fosters a sense of understanding, but also opens the door for a more collaborative and solution-oriented conversation. 5. Nonverbal communication. Communication is not only about words. Nonverbal cues play a significant role. Pay attention to your body language, facial expressions, and gestures. Maintain open and positive body language to convey receptivity and openness. Similarly, be attentive to the nonverbal cues of others to gain additional insights into their feelings and reactions. 6. Focus on solutions. Instead of dwelling on the problem, shift the focus towards finding solutions. Collaboratively brainstorming and problem-solving can transform a challenging conversation into a productive one. This approach not only helps in resolving the issue at hand, but also strengthens relationships by emphasizing a shared commitment to overcoming challenges. Conclusion. Effective communication in challenging situations requires a combination of emotional intelligence, active listening, and thoughtful expression. By staying calm, practicing empathy, and choosing words wisely, individuals can transform tense moments into opportunities for understanding and resolution, fostering stronger connections in both personal and professional relationships. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching. If you find it useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.